Hi friends! So our last project we're going to work on is from Polypad. Polypad is a very easy one that you do not need to create an account for, but it's super fun to use. So once you get onto Polypad, which I set the link up, so all you have to do is press on it, you're going to go ahead and start creating your different characters. Remember, you need to use at least one triangle, one square, one rectangle, and one circle for this character. So I'm going to start with the triangles. Now, I'm not very good at this. You're probably going to be better at this than me, but we're going to go ahead and do one triangle. Now I'm going to go ahead and duplicate that triangle, wrap that around like this, set it underneath, and look at that. We have now created a new character, head. Now we're going to go ahead and do a square. Actually, let's do a rectangle first. Then a square, because we're going to make him a buff guy. Let's do some circles. We've got one. Let's shrink that down. I'll do one shoulder. Let's go ahead and duplicate that. Move that one over here. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and do the rectangle again. Let's narrow this down. Now remember, we can rotate. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate that one and move it right over here. I'm going to do another circle. Let's do a triangle. We're going to go ahead and do two more of these rectangles. One, two. Let's do some circles. Let's make these a little smaller. Really got knees, head, shoulders, knees, and toes. And let's go ahead. Now that we got the legs, now we just need some hands. Let's go ahead and do the squares again. Let's do rectangles again, but remember, rectangles can be turned into squares. So let's shrink this down. Once we got that set up, let's go and put it right there and make it a little bigger so we have a distinction in the hand. I just need three of those. One more of that. And we're just going to do one more. We're going to bring it down here, and we're going to make it a little longer, because remember, these are for feet. Copy it, make sure your feet are the same size. And there you go. You've just created a character. You can change the colors however you want. So if you want to do this, you can play around with it, add music, I believe, and play around with it however you like. Once you're done with everything, you're going to go ahead and then go over and press this button right here that says export, and then go ahead and send me that picture in an email. If you need any help, remember, you can go ahead and contact me. We'll set up a Zoom meeting and I can walk you through it, or you could sit with a parent and do it that way, or a guardian, however you want. Any adult in your life that you feel comfortable talking to. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing your projects.